Now here we solve remaining question of exercise 6.3. Question number 17. Find the point on a curve y is equal to x raised to 3 at which the slope of tangent is tangent is equal to y coordinate of points equal to y coordinate of a points. First we find the slope of a tangent at xy. Slope of a tangent at xy is equal to first derivative of this equation, dy dx is equal to 3x square, and here given slope of tangent is equal to its y coordinate. Here y coordinate equal to y, therefore 3x square is equal to y. Clear this? Because given this slope of a tangent is equal to y coordinate of a point. Take this result number 1 and this is the result 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2 by 1 and 2. Here y is equal to x raised to 3 and here y is equal to 3x square. So 3x square is equal to x raised to 3. Clear this? Therefore 3x square take this side, so x raised to 3 minus 3x square is equal to 0. So get the factor. X square take common, so here we get x minus 3 is equal to 0. This implies x square equal to 0, so x is equal to 0. Now x minus 3 equal to 0, so x is equal to 3. Clear? Now x is equal to 0. This implies here from 1 y is equal to 0 by 1. Now x is equal to 3. This implies y is equal to here 3 raised to 3, 27 by 1. Therefore we have 2.00 and 327 are required points. Are required point. Okay. Now question number 18. For the curve y is equal to 4x raised to 3 minus 2x raised to 5, find all point at which the tangent pass through the origin here. We want to get a point on a curve. This is curve y is equal to 4x raised to 3 minus 2x raised to 5. We want to get a point on a curve where tangent pass through origin. This is the origin. Clear? So first suppose this is a point x1 by 1 and get a slope of tangent at x1 by 1. Using a slope and a point get equation of tangent, and this tangent pass through origin. Also x1 by 1 lies on this curve. So using these two equation we get value of x and y. Let required points is x1 by 1. Here y is equal to 4x raised to 3 minus 2x raised to 5 given. Therefore here x1 by 1 lies on this. Take this result 1. So in a second part we get a equation of x1 and y1 using x1 y1 and this equation of curve. In first part get a slope of tangent at x1 y1. We know that how to get a slope of tangent using first derivative. Dy dx is equal to here 12x raised to 2 minus 5 to 10 x raised to 4. Therefore slope of tangent at x1 y1 is dy dx at x1 y1 we know, so is equal to 12x raised to 2 here x1 minus 10 x1 raised to 4. Okay, now using this slope and at this point we get equation of a tangent. Therefore equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m. M is 12x1 raised to 2 minus 10x1 raised to 4 into x minus x1, which pass through origin given, which pass through origin. Therefore take x is equal to 0, y equal to 0 in this equation. We get a minus y1 is equal to here 12x1 raised to 2 minus 10x1 raised to 4 minus x1. Okay, now minus from both sides cancel. We get y1 is equal to x1 take each side, so 12x1 raised to 3 minus 10x1 raised to 5. Take this result number 2. Okay, now x1 y1 here given x1 y1 belongs to y is equal to 4x raised to 3 minus 2x raised to 5. Therefore y1 is equal to 4x1 raised to 3 minus 2x1 raised to 5. Clear this? Take a result number 3rd. So solve these two equations. Therefore by second and third compare both. We get a 12x1 raised to 3 minus 10x1 raised to 5 is equal to 4x1 raised to 3 minus 2x1 raised to 5. Okay, therefore all term take this side, so 12x1 raised to 3 minus 4x1 raised to 3 becomes 8x1 raised to 3. 10x1 raised to 5 minus 2x1 raised to 5 becomes minus 8x1 raised to 5 equal to 0. Therefore 8x1 raised to 3 take common, so here we get 1 minus here x1 raised to 2 equal to 0. Clear? Therefore x1 8x1 raised to 3 equal to 0, so x1 equal to 0, and 1 minus x1 raised to 2 equal to 0, so x1 raised to 2 equal to 1. Therefore x1 equal to 0, here x1 is equal to plus or minus 1, so plus 1, or x1 is equal to minus 1. Clear? Now using value of 0, 1 and minus 1 we get the value of y1. So x1 equal to 0, this implies y1 is equal to, put in this y1, so y1 is equal to 4 into these numbers 0 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 0. So one required point is a 0 0. Clear? Second, x1 is equal to here x1 raised to 3 y1 raised to 5 given, so plus or minus take any. Here x1 equal to 1, this implies y1 is equal to 4 into 1 raised to 3 minus 2 into 1 raised to 5 is equal to here 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So second point becomes 1 2, and third point x1 is equal to minus 1, this implies y1 is equal to 4 into minus 1 raised to 3 minus 2 into minus 1 raised to 5, so is equal to minus 4. Here minus minus plus 2 is equal to here becomes minus 2. Okay, therefore second point become b1 minus 2. Therefore 0 0 1 2 and 1 minus 2 are required points. Okay, now question number next 19. Find the point on curve x raised to 2 plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0, at which the tangent is parallel to x-axis. Here tangent parallel to x-axis given. Okay, so here first we get first derivative for x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore first derivative 2x plus 2y into dy dx minus 2, a derivative of 3 is 0. Therefore here 2x 2y dy dx minus 2, so dividing by 2 we get x plus y dy dx minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore here x minus 1 take this side, so y dy dx is equal to 1 minus of x. Therefore dy dx is equal to 1 minus x upon y. Here slope of tangent is 1 minus x upon y, and given that tangent parallel to x-axis given, therefore we know that the slope becomes 0, so 1 minus x upon y is equal to become 0. So 1 minus x is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 1. Okay, using x is equal to 1 in our equation of curve we get y. Therefore x square minus x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0 implies here putting x is equal to 1, so whole square is 1 plus y square minus 2 into 1, that is 2 minus 3 equal to 0. This implies y square is equal to, here become minus 5 plus 1 minus 4, take this side, so become plus 4, so equal to y is a plus or minus 2. Therefore required points 1 plus or minus 2 are required point. Okay, now question number 20. Find the equation of normal at the point am square am raised to 3 for the curve a y square is equal to x raised to 3. We know that how to find the equation of a normal. First get a slope of tangent. Taking reciprocally edit inverse, we get a slope of normal at given point. And using point and the slope of normal, we get equation of a normal. Using slope point equation, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Clear? So first get normal, slope of normal, and using this equation we get a slope equation of a normal. Just try to solve this question yourself. Now question number 22. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y raised to 2 is equal to 4ax at the point a t square to a t. Here first we get a slope of tangent at this point. Using point and slope get a equation of a tangent. Similarly, get a slope of normal at this point, and using point and slope get the equation of a normal. Now question number 23. Prove that curve x is equal to y square and x into y is equal to k cut at a right angle if 8x square is equal to 1. Condition given. First we get intersection point of both curve. For intersection point solve x is equal to y square, number 1, and x into y is equal to k, number 2. So here we get x is equal to y square, put in a second, we get y square into y is equal to k. Therefore y raised to 3 is equal to k. So y is equal to k raised to 1 by 3. Putting the y is equal to k raised to 1 by 3 in first, we get x is equal to k raised to 1 by 3 raised to 2, that is 2 by 3. Therefore intersection point is xy. X is a k raised to 2 by 3 and the y is a k raised to 1 by 3. Now find the slope of tangent of both curve at intersection point. For first curve x is equal to y square, derivative of x is 1, derivative of y square is 2y into dy dx. Therefore dy dx is equal to 1 upon 2 into y. So slope of tangent at intersection point is, say m1 equal to 1 upon 2 into y, value of y is equal to k raised to 1 by 3, clear? Take a result number third and get a slope of a tangent to second curve for x into y is equal to k. So differentiate with respect to x, we get x into dy dx plus y into derivative of x is 1 is equal to 0. Therefore dy dx is equal to minus y upon x, clear? Therefore slope of tangent at intersection point, say m1 at intersection point is, say, m2 is equal to minus y, value of y is equal to k raised to 1 by 3 upon x is equal to k raised to 2 by 3. Clear? Take this result number 4. Now take product of m1 and m2. Therefore, by third and the fourth, m1 and into m2 is equal to, here m1 is equal to 1 upon 2 into k raised to 1 by 3 into m2 is equal to minus k raised to 1 by 3 upon k raised to 2 by 3. You know that. So is equal to, now simplify this. So minus 1 by 2, here k raised to 1 by 3 cancel, we get 1 upon 2 into k raised to 2 by 3. Now here given condition 8k square is equal to 1. So 8k square is equal to 1. This implies k square is equal to 1 upon 8. Okay. So this implies k raised to 2 by 3 is equal to, apply cube root on both sides, is equal to 1 upon 2. Clear this? So this implies minus 1 upon 2 into k raised to 2 by 3, value of this is equal to 1 by 2, so is equal to 2 upon 1. Clear? So is equal to 2 cancel, we get a minus 1. So slope of tangent at intersection point and product of both is equal to minus 1. Therefore, we say that both intersect at a right angle. Therefore, both curve intersect at right angle. Right angle. Okay. Question number 25. Find equation of tangent to curve y is equal to root of 3x minus 2, which is parallel to line 4x minus 2y plus phi equal to 0. Here tangent is a parallel to this line 4x minus 2y plus phi equal to 0. So slope of a tangent is a minus 4 upon minus 2 becomes 2. Clear? Using this slope we get point on a curve. First derivative dy dx gives slope, we know that. So dy dx compare with 2, get value of x. Using value of x in a y, we get a y. That is a point on a curve. Using point and this slope get equation of a tangent. Is equation. Solve yourself. Question number 26, MCQ type question. The slope of normal to the curve y is equal to 2x square plus 3 sin x at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0. Here find the dy dx, and at x is equal to 0 find the slope of a tangent. You know that how to find this. And taking reciprocally add it inverse, we get a slope of a normal. This is a required. Now 27, the line y is equal to x plus 1 is tangent to the curve y square is equal to 4x at a pointer. The line y is equal to x plus 1 is tangent to the curve y square is equal to 4x at point. Here find the slope of this and find the slope of y square is equal to 4x, and compare both, get value of x and y. This becomes a required tangent point. Okay. Or second method, all given points check lies on this two curve or not, that is satisfy both equation or not. This becomes required points. Okay. Now next topic we discuss in the next lecture. Okay, bye.